Hey guys, what's going on? Fly here. Welcome back to the